How to add or change your profile picture on BiliBili. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you want to update your avatar on BiliBili, you can do it easily from your profile settings. First of all, open a web browser and type in bilibili.tv in it and get to the official website of it. You can also open up the BiliBili app and log into your account. After logging in, from the home page, go ahead and mouse over to your profile icon at the top right and click on My Profile. Once you're inside the My Profile section, mouse over to your current avatar and click the camera icon. Now select your profile picture you want to change to from your camera roll or your device's library. Adjust the picture within the frame and click on Save. Now finally click Update at the bottom. Right after you do that, there you have added your profile picture or changed your profile picture. So that's it. Your BiliBili profile picture is now updated, helping your account look more personalized and recognizable. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.